G'day, Peter here. We're just here testing our new stump tops. These things here are awesome. Easy to use, easy to put on, but now we're just going to test them today. Okay, so we've just got our stump top in here now with these nice shiny new bolts, right? And there's 4 of these bolts. It just slips over the stump, and these bolts are only 20 millimeters long, and they actually, it's just a special design we've come up with that pushes in on the stump, and there's an insert in the middle there that it supports against, and it just jams it on. So we're going to test how strong these are today. Do these up, and then we'll go from there. So see that's come down onto that now, and we've got a split washer under there to stop it ever coming undone. Muscles. We got our Level Pro in here, and you can see our nuts are done up properly now, right? And these bolts don't go all the way in. They're only about 15 millimeters long. They just literally squash in on this, and see that little tab in there? That tab is actually pushing back on the bottom of this bolt, so it squashes in on it and jams on the steel. That's all done, and we've got that bolted in. Easy enough to do those 4 bolts up, and probably takes about a minute to bolt on a stump top, and now it's all ready to go. We're all in big red here. We'll just turn it on. 1,400. Comes up pretty quick. Can we get up to 5 ton? Go, you good thing. There we go, 6.5 ton. Mate, that is strong. Oh. Has it moved at all? No, no movement down there yet. All right, let's oh yeah. So we put a little chalk line under there, and it looks like it might have moved a tiny little bit. But the difference between like putting tech screws in here is that if this moves up a little bit, you can easily see it here on your stump if you're inspecting them, and if you wanted to pull it back down again, you just undo that, the weight of the house, push it back down again, do your bolt back up. That seems to me like an easy design to use, and it, you know, it's still a lot stronger than a tech screw at that. But that's the thing I like about this, is that when it does fail, it's still holding that much force, still holding 7 ton of force, and I think 7 ton would probably pull the stump out of the ground. Okay, so we've just let the jack down, and we actually undid the bolts, and we lifted it up with the jack again to lift it off the top. But you can see here, but you can see how much that's bit into those, and it's kinked into that steel. So and then when it was dragging up, it's actually dragging the end of the bolt through the steel because it's bent, it's pushed it in a little bit. So that's what gives it all its strength, is that bolt up design. It's quite unique. Nobody else has got one. And it really holds on. And it's got other applications as well. So we're using it for the house stumps, but if you want to use an idea for this type of design with something else or some other application where you need to get a really strong fitting to bolt onto a normal steel type post or pole or something, we're happy to talk with you about manufacturing whatever you need for that if you want to have us use our special fitting for it, our special coupling. All right. Okay. This is, and no damage done, except for the big top there that we bent. It's 7.5 ton.